Going to college can be expensive, and for many students, it can be difficult to afford all the necessary items such as books, dorm supplies, and daily living expenses. But if you're a college student, you don't have to just depend on student loans or your parents for financial support. There are plenty of innovative ways to make money in college without having to get a traditional college job. Here are some of the best options for college students to make some extra money to make ends meet. On-campus jobs. One of the simplest and most traditional ways to make money in college is by getting a part-time job. Many students go to their college's Human Resources Department or website to find job postings. Some of the most available jobs on many college campuses include working as a tour guide, tutor, librarian assistant, library assistant, or cafeteria worker. On-campus jobs typically provide flexible hours and will likely labor with your school schedule. Side gigs you can do with your car. If you're lucky enough to have a car while you're in college, then you can take advantage of this opportunity to make money. One of the best side gigs to do with your car is to become a delivery driver for restaurant food or online retailers. You can also sign up with a rideshare company like Uber or Lyft and earn extra income by giving people rides around town. Side gigs you can do online. If you have access to the internet, then you have countless opportunities to make money online. There are plenty of online survey and task websites that you can use to earn money. You could also look into becoming a freelance writer or a virtual assistant. If you feel comfortable creating and designing websites, then you could even offer your services as a web designer. Become a notary public and loan signing agent. Becoming a notary public and loan signing agent can be a great way to make money in college. This profession allows you to work for yourself, setting your own hours, and earning anywhere from $75 to $200 per hour. As this profession is not well known, you may need to do some research to become certified and informed to practice legally. But once you get started, the extra income will be worth it. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.